Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a very special Manipuri snacks called Paknam. I got this recipe from my friend Pinky, so a big thanks to her. Mayam ngasi di tilhaw gi Paknam semjarage. Asisi aina first time ni ko Paknam semri se chaba di am angang oiringai di charakhre ko. Adu semba di first time ni ko sisi. Asigi recipe se Pinky ngonde laujabni. The Pinky with yam tagatli. Semba horisiko. Here I have some turmeric leaves, 100 grams of spring onion, some green chilies, little bit of gram flour, besan, and roasted ngari, fermented fish. Si singoire matal singsi besan kra leire, ngari leire, morok leire, tilaw leire, duga yangang mana leire ko. Same bhaurage. You can adjust the quantity of the fermented fish. I think this will be too much, so I'll take out some. Singari si yaman daw male kralaw thoke si konerani. In this recipe, you need generous amount of ngari, fermented fish, and generous amount of chili as well. But you can adjust according to your taste. So salt to taste, not much. Put the chopped spring onion, now the gram flour. First I'll put 1 tablespoon. I didn't put any water. This is how it looks like. You don't want lots of besan, just little bit only, just to bind them together like this. Check for the seasoning as well. Morok thom noin check tau thokse. How today? How everything is perfect. I've already washed the banana leaf and keep it like this, spread it like this. And on the banana leaf, I'll put fresh turmeric leaf. Yangang mana thara se mathakta. Now this is ready to be cooked. Put the lids on and cook this for 30 minutes on low flame. Low flame thong bi resi ko. open up and see. Hang la yeng si miyam. First time see mini. Pa ba ni na phone di won ni ti. Manam di yam hawe. Paknam ni manam bang lại. It's very hot. Voila, look at this. How many he cut it into small pieces. छोरी से थाव दबने हैं. Wow, it's just amazing. My naman na. Wow. Hawe. Rok su chap chan chai. Yam hawe. Ngari su chap sai. Ginger tea. This ginger tea. This is quite a unique recipe. We love this paknam. It's spicy, delicious, but it requires taste also because it has got strong fermented fish flavor and strong turmeric aroma is also there. So it requires this. Si paknam si yam haure. Ay di dumuk tha de bgo kharpa ni sim jabne. Du yam hawe mrok so chap chai kahin sha de sab di sai ko ngari su namme phazan namme jai ngang gi manam su phazan la e ko dan yam haure. Taste pra mai tareng si. Paknam cha de ba koira. Si di si wai de roi sin jerge myam su nongai na lai biramo na ye lai na lai biramo hauji kan se Manipur da muk covid kan khat kre han tab do yam nongai te myam su check sin na lai biramo hain hainingi. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, take care.